In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Klarna payments 2026 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to stop automatic Klarna withdrawals for a purchase or plan and what to do if a subscription is involved so you can avoid surprise charges. Start by opening the Klarna app or visiting Klarna's website and signing into your account. Once you're in, head straight to the payments area. Depending on your view, this may be labeled payments or manage payments. This is the hub where Klarna lists everything you're currently paying for, including pay in 4, monthly financing, and any one-time purchases that still have a balance. Next, choose the specific purchase or plan you want to manage. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one by checking the merchant name, the remaining balance, and the upcoming due date. Picking the exact item matters, because any changes you make will only apply to that single plan and won't affect other purchases. Inside that purchase or plan, look for an option such as payment settings or manage payments. The wording can vary slightly, but it will be the place where you control how Klarna collects your installments. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the details page. It's usually near the schedule or billing method section. Now, turn off autopay. Toggling off autopay stops Klarna from automatically pulling funds on your due dates. This is helpful if you prefer to pay manually or need to prevent a scheduled debit from your bank. Keep in mind, disabling autopay does not erase what you owe, change your due dates, or cancel the underlying order. You're still responsible for making on-time payments to avoid late fees or account impact. So set a reminder and pay before the due date if you're switching to manual payments. If you used Klarna as the payment method for a recurring subscription, think streaming, software, or a membership, there's an important distinction. Klarna is only the payment pipe. The subscription itself lives with the service provider. To stop ongoing charges, you must cancel the subscription directly on the provider's website or app. If you don't cancel with the provider, they will continue to bill your Klarna account, even if autopay is off in Klarna. That's it. Go to payments, open the specific plan, find the payment settings, switch off autopay, and for subscriptions, make sure you cancel with the provider. Take a minute to review your upcoming schedule afterwards so you know exactly what's still due and when.